Hello, hello, everybody. It's Mindy, and I have goodies to show you today. Goodies, goodies, goodies from Diamond Art Gift. I hope you stick around and see these goodies. There's some fun things in here. Yeah, let's get to it. Let's save this one for a minute. Well, let's just move all this aside real quick. All right. Thank you, Diamond Art Gift, for sending me some things to show you, letting me pick out some stuff. All right. So it is Christmas time. Fa la 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 la. Let's get in the spirit. They had several of these like houses and things like that. And I picked out one. Why not? I like that this has some drills along the back. Even though this is a big white space background back there, it's got some little sparkly snow coming down back there. Just a cute little house, got some decorated trees out front, got some gifts. I see some big gems, some C's and D's. Looks like there should be some A's, B's, C's, and D's for larger gems. Where are the A's? They're like a little marquee. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? I don't know. Can't find them. B's are in the trees. So are the C's, the D's. No, I don't know. Where's the C? I don't know. Oh, C. Where's the A's? Oh, they're in here. Okay. They're in here. They're making like a little flower. Okay. All right. There's 12 different drills for this thing. There's quite a few. So let's look at them. As I'm looking at my pile over here, this one that's staring at me, I'm like, wow. Wow. Okay. Here's what we get. We get some very pale yellow rhinestones, clear, red, and like a brown color. An interesting green. Ooh, yay, 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 yay. Love these. Okay, so they have done this. They put in these clear rhinestones, but they've also included these AB. Oh my gosh, these are my favorite. I'm hoping that they're the snow. Let's see. They're not. Where are they going? Oh, they're going to be down here on the snow on the gifts. Okay, that'll be pretty. I love these. These are stunning. Green rhinestone, a tan. Okay, there's those little bitty marquees. They're iridescent. Some round balls, some bigger ones, and the pearls, the big pearls. Love those. Yeah, I wish that, I suppose there's a reason to not use those AB clear, but I love them. Okay, love them. All right, this guy looks fun. Every single one of these comes with a little toolkit such as that. You're familiar with those. These trees, there were several of them, several different trees. This one has a totally different feeling canvas. It's very pliable. It's kind of soft on the back, not soft like we're used to like felt backing, not like that, but it's just a totally different type of a canvas. Where this one's rougher, this one's very smooth. It's very interesting. But look at this. Look at all of those fives on that tree. There's only 5 different drills for this one. Look at all of those. Oh my gosh, that's what I was seeing is those drills. Wait till you see. Wait till you see. I'll give you one guess. Start guessing. What do you think they are? If you look at it close, look at it close. Look up close. Look at the shape. What do you think? Oh boy. All right, let me show you. All right, so we have some black. We have some brown. Okay, our tree trunk. We have some purple and some pink. Then we have 1, 2, 3 bags of pink flowers. Love those. Love it. I mean, that's all the drills there are, you guys. But wow, that's going to be stunning, isn't it? It's going to be so pretty. I love it. Okay, well, what's next? What's next? I don't know how to fold this up to put it back in there, so we'll work on that later. Okay, this, love this, love this, love, love, love. Look at it. It's a horse, right? How pretty. I wish it had something more going on in the background instead of just all that white. But look how pretty it is. I only see a couple of larger drills, A, B, and C, but that is so pretty. I love that they did not do anything to the face, the eye, that kind of stuff. So just the forelock. You can't even really see this horse's mane because it's all covered up with all of this greenery and stuff. And the Christmas balls, but you get to see the forelock anyhow. But I think it's super, super pretty. Let's show you the drills. There's 7 different kinds. Let's show them to you. Hello. Okay, what do we get? Well, we get clear. So that will be the forelock and the nose, ears, that kind of stuff. Then there's red. We have black and green. Okay, so that is it for our like rhinestones. Well, that's not a rhinestone, but then we have the round red, clear and smooth, and bigger ones, and gold balls. Love it. So that's our decorations in our greenery up there. I think it's super pretty. I like it a lot. Okay. All right. This next one, those are all 30 by 30s. This is a 30 by 40, and this one's just cute. He's just a cutie, isn't he? I love the look of this. It's very interesting. It's like, it feels like puffy to me. It almost feels like it's got a 3-dimensional feel, like these should be raised puffs or something. I don't know. It's super cute. We got this snowman riding his sleigh with his gifts, and he's got his little birdie friend up there on top, hanging on for dear life. Hang on, don't crash, right? It's super cute. I love this. It's got 8 different drills. Let's show you what they are. I see A and B for larger things. That could be it. Oh, here's a drill here. I don't know where it came from, but now I lost it. Okay, what do we get? What do we get? We get some clear rhinestones, gold, light brown, pink, green, and orange. And then pearls. A larger one and a smaller one. White pearls. There we go. I think it's adorable. Adorable. Now, you know, if you like these, of course, I will link them below, and you can go see what you think if you want some yourself. What is this? There's a little gray drill. I don't know why gray. I haven't had any gray drills. All right. And then we have an off-canvas project, which are always fun. I try to get these, you know, fairly regularly, something cool and unique. Oh, I remember this one. That's right. There it is. What do you think? Let me zoom you in. Zoomy, zoomy. Zoomy, zoomy. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I love it. No lights or anything for this one. Sometimes they have lights. Here's the chain to hang it by. Some of the chains are nicer. This one's not extremely fantastic, but how pretty. It's like a bird cage and all the birds and then flowers. Super pretty. I really like this. I think it's really pretty. I see we have some special drills here. 8s, 11s, 10s, 12s are all 9. They're all special drills. It looks like 8 through 12 is probably special drills. There's no legend with this. It's clear on the back. Interesting. Oh, it's got holes in it. Oh, there's actually like little holes through here. That's interesting. Yeah. So there's no legend, so you just follow whatever is on the item, on the piece, and then your bags are numbered accordingly. You'll see what I mean. Like here's number 1. And it's a green for our leaves, number 1. It's a rhinestone, and we have a purple, that would be number 2. Pink, clear, yellow, another pink, and a purple. Ooh, love those. Those are super pretty. Oh, wait, you should see the next ones. Those are super pretty. The purple clear balls. Look at those though. Wow. An iridescent, like peachy color. Those are pretty. We have some green marquee, some purple marquee. Oh, look what else we get. We get some little flowers. Love it. So they're going to go in the centers of these flowers here, the 12s. Those are super cool. All right. See, I love doing projects like this. I hope you guys are ready for smashing the specials. I mean, it's right around the corner. Right around the corner. All of these projects I have right here would qualify for that. Every single one of these is a smash in the special. With Brandy, Mystery of Diamonds, it's coming fast. I still have a whole box of stuff I set aside from last time. What am I going to do this time? Lord only knows what I'm going to do this time, but any of these would qualify. Get yourself some special drill things. Off-canvas stuff is so much fun to do. They're fun to do if you just got, I mean, this will take a while. It's got a lot to drill on it. It might take me a day or a day and a half, but get you some specials and get ready because it's coming. It's coming. All right. Again, thank you, Diamond Art Gift, for letting me pick these things out. And thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, coming back, seeing more videos, and all of that stuff. My channel has grown a little bit. I'm happy with that. So, yeah, let's keep the momentum going. Tell your friends, all right? Okay, I'll see everybody soon. Bye, you guys.